Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. I'm Muhammad from moslehischool channel. In this video, I want to show you how to create a new user account on Windows computer. I try to use the fastest and easiest ways to create a new user account. In addition, I'm gonna show you how to make your new user account an administrator. It's very important because without administrator permissions, you can do some things like installing software, uninstalling software, managing system settings, and so on. If you want to learn how to do this, stay with me.
First, I want to create a new user account on Windows 11 using computer management. For this, right-click on the Start button and select Computer Management from the menu, or you can press Windows key plus X and then choose Computer Management. In the Computer Management window, expand the Local Users and Groups, and finally click on Users. Right-click on an empty area in the middle pane and select New User from the menu. Enter desired username for the new user. You can enter the user's full name and a description for the user if needed. And then set a password for the new user. You can choose whether the password should expire or the user should change it at the next login. You can also set additional options for the user account by clicking on the User cannot change password, Password never expires, or Account is disabled checkboxes, depending on your preferences and requirements. And now, click the Create button to create the new user account. As you can see, the new user account is now created and ready for use. And now I want to make the new user account an administrator account. For this, right-click on the user account and select Properties from the menu. In the Properties window, go to the Member of tab. Click on the Add button. This will open the Select Groups dialog. Click on the Advanced button. Click on Find Now. Select Administrators. And click OK to confirm the selection. Now, you should now see administrators in the member of list. In Windows operating systems, the administrators group is a built-in security group that grants users full control over the computer. Well, now let's sign out of the Windows and log in to Windows with the new user. Okay, as you can see, we log into Windows with the new user. Well, now let's go and add a local new user using the settings in Windows. For this, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the left sidebar, click on the Accounts option. In the Account settings, click on Other Users. Click on the Add Account button. To create a local account, press I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then, select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter the desired username for the new user and then set a password for the new user and then the security questions. Okay, now let's sign out of the Windows and log into Windows with the new user.